Yeah, the breeze makes it feel a little cool out there, but we
Okay.
are in the low to mid 60s. So all in all, especially for the middle of February,
Yeah.
I've had my windows open a few days this week. I mean, you just never think of that this time of year. That being said, we do have some changes coming in, so I don't want you to get too used to this warm air. We still have a couple more warm days, but there are some colder changes coming. So tomorrow and Thursday, we're still going to be warm. Our highs will be 15 to upwards of 25 degrees above normal, especially tomorrow. Thursday is our transition day when a cold front comes in, and then that will cool us down for the weekend, and we'll have enough cold air around for the potential for some light snow on Saturday. So if you have Saturday plans, it's something that we're keeping an eye on for you right now. You don't need to change your plans, just something that we're currently watching. So here's that temperature trend. Really warm today in those 60s. Tomorrow we'll top out near 70 degrees. Thursday we're still going to be running with highs low to mid 60s, so still warm for this time of year. That next cold front comes through, going through our day on Thursday and Friday. It brings the colder air behind it, so you'll feel a difference going from the 60s on Thursday to highs only in the 40s on Friday. And then as we go through Friday night and a Saturday, we'll have a storm system kick out of the Rockies and head our way. So overnight Friday and early Saturday morning, there should be enough cold air around for some light snow as we head through our morning hours Saturday. There's Saturday at 7 a.m. through about the middle of the day. Could have some light snow, some wet snow that moves through the area. So right now we are monitoring that possibility, and it could result in some minor accumulations. Before we get there, it's going to be warm still. So sunny and 70 degrees tomorrow. I'd say Wednesday is the pick day of the week with that sunshine. It won't be as windy tomorrow, so you'll want your jacket in the morning. Temperatures will be in the 40s. 64 midday, not so windy. Maybe have lunch outside if you can. Near 74 the afternoon, a few clouds drift in later in the day. On Thursday, the wind picks back up with that next cold front. We'll top out at 62, so still about 20 degrees above normal. Friday, there's that drop in temperature, about a 20-degree drop, only low 40s. And on Saturday, 39 for a high, that chance of light snow. So again, it's something we're watching. There could be some accumulations. We'll keep those updates coming in. So just keep checking back in, and we'll fine-tune that forecast as we head closer to the weekend. Sunday, sunny but cold, only 39 for a high. Another chilly day on Monday. Then we're back in those 50s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. So it's going to be a relatively short-lived little round of chillier air. And as far as our chances, again, of seeing some snow on Saturday, it's possible. So again, wouldn't go changing plans. Just know there's that possibility of snow. And the key word here, if we do see any accumulations, looks like it's going to be light, picking up maybe an inch of snow or greater. As of now, about a 20 to 30% chance. So something we're monitoring, and of course, we'll let you know if we see any changes.